Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Geico Insurance, secure fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Geico Insurance, www.geico.com. Once the website loads, locate the login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click the Login button again. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case of login issues, verify your internet connection. Ensure that you are using the correct user ID and password. If you still can't log in, consider clearing your browser cache. Refresh the page and attempt to log in again. If problems persist, reach out to Geico customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.